What the fuck is up, people? I'm gonna try out some new shit. I got another mic for the 360. I tried to adjust my helmet microphone. We'll see how everything ends up sounding. I think the problem is my bike's too loud, so can't do much about that. Well, I hope you guys watched my last video, because it's the first video using that 360, and it's fucking was not easy. That was the first time editing with that software and using that camera, having multiple cameras at once. So I have a lot to learn. A lot to learn. So I decided to come out right now because it's about to sunset, and I could get some 360 footage of the flames for you guys, and for myself, because I kind of want to see how crazy they get. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. Still there. I always get so scared that it's just gonna fly off. Speak it into existence, I guess. I gotta say, man, I love this bike. It's a 2022 Z900. I love it so much, man. I'm coming, this is my second bike, coming off of a Ninja 400. The 400 was cool. It got stolen, so that wasn't cool. Scooter guy. Oh, what the fuck was that? But yeah, his first bike was a Ninja 400. It was blue. I'll put a picture of it there. Love that bike. It got stolen from my apartment. Oh shit, there's accident. I'm missing the content. Yeah, fucking my own bike got stolen from my own parking spot in my own apartment complex. Get around these folks. Don't have time for those people. That should be a good one. It's gotta be. What else to talk about the Ninja 400? I think I learned a lot. I learned a lot with that bike. I was taking it up to the canyons, Azusa, Glendora, Malibu, those types of places, because that's the type of area I live in. I'm kind of blessed to be able to live in such a bike-friendly area, state, really. But yeah, so I forgot what I was talking about. Fuck. Oh, but see, that's another reason I love this bike. The fucking low-end torque, baby. Oh, whoa. You could start in any gear, and it just does stuff. Anyways, regarding that last video, yeah, there was a lot. There was a lot to figure out, and a lot that was new for me. So they'll get better. I know it. I mean, I think for a first little MotoVlog, I think that was really good. I'm going to try to upload every day. But here's the thing. If you want those horny 360 videos, I don't think I can do MotoVlogs like that every day. I can maybe throw clips in. But as of right now, I am not skilled enough to be doing that. And I really hope my GoPro's recording. Should be. because yesterday when we went to Laguna and I made that whole video, I don't know, I don't think the video is gonna do good. Reason being, this is the first one. This is the first one, man. That was like my first, no, that was like my second serious attempt at YouTube, at putting videos up, like trying to make it quality, you know, not just throwing up a random video on my phone. But yeah, I kind of always wanted to do something with like a video. When I was little, I would always play around with like a stop, like you take a picture and you turn it into a movie, like animation kind of, stop action, that's what it is. I would do stuff like that, or I would like fucking make my stuffed animals talk to each other. Yeah. Tires are cold. Where are we going today? It is so gorgeous. It's so pretty out. Okay, no cops, that's good. I think that's gonna be my one wheelie for the video. I've been doing way too many recently. Wow. Fuck. To work on when it comes to YouTube, man. A lot to work on. All I can say is I'm definitely committed to it this time. This is probably the first time I'm actually committed. I went and got this camera, buying more gear. I'm trying to do things to better my content. Oh yeah, back to the upload every day thing. Oh, what the fuck? There's all types of state troopers. Let's get the fuck out of here. Wrong stop I took, I guess. I hate these. I don't want to go over these on my bike. I'll probably just leave you guys with some music, honestly. I don't know how to talk to a camera. Like, I don't know what even to talk about, you know? Eventful. I had to flex on the BMW a little bit, just a tad. Camera's still there. What else can I talk about, bro? This bike, boom. All right, I'll just talk about this bike. Oh yeah, back to my 400 experience. Not that it matters. But yeah, it's my second bike, and it's insane. I think it's Z900's a great second bike, but you definitely have to be, I'm not gonna say mature or responsible, because I'm not either. But like, to a certain extent, you have to be. Like, I think anything above that, like, 500cc mark, that shit will buck you the fuck off. That shit will chuck you, throw you far. So yeah, you definitely don't go get a Z900 for your first bike. And you're always gonna hear stories like, oh, my buddy started on a 1000cc sport, but whoa, my buddy started on this and that, and he never crashed in his life, and when he got a smaller bike, that's when he crashed. And don't listen to anyone. If you want a big bike, go get a big bike, but just be prepared to hold on for dear life, because this thing will kill you.